In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the custom tabs block that we developed for our templates only. In this example section called tabs, you can see that we have a main block called tabs. Inside it, we have 3 tab items. This is the preview of the tabs, where you can see 3 items. Each item has a heading, a description, and a media area. If I preview this template and go to the tabs, I can show you how it actually works. Here you can see the tabs in action. We have the tab items on the left. This is the heading and some description text, and we also have options for icons. On the right side, we have options to add media, such as images or video. Now, let's go back to a Kajabi editor. This is the tabs block. This is the main tabs block, and these are the child items of the tabs. The tabs will not work unless you add the tabs block first. Also, the tabs block will not display anything unless you add the child tab items. If I hide this tabs block, you can see that nothing is shown. This is how it works. If I hide one of the tab items, you can see that we now have only 2 tab items visible. If you want to reorder the tab items, you can simply drag and drop them, and the order will change accordingly. Now I'm going to unhide this item again and show you the available settings. On the main tabs block, we have default column options and background options that are available for all blocks in our templates. Now, let's go back to the tab items. On each tab item, you have the option to upload an icon. This title is what appears in the tab heading, and below that is the description text. We also have media options. You can upload images, add embeds, or use videos. To use a video, you need to enable the video option. There is also an option to autoplay the video, but this is not recommended, as it can be annoying for users. You also have video player color options available here. These are the main options available for our tabs block, and they are very easy to use. One important thing to remember is that in a single section, you can use only one tabs block. If you try to duplicate the tabs block within the same section, it will simply act as a clone of the original tabs. So remember, you can use only one tabs block per section. That's it for the tabs block. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.